Hi, today I'm going to prepare some brownies. These are all the ingredients that you might need to do brownies. 250 grams of dark chocolate, 2050 grams of sugar, 150 grams of butter, 4 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and flour. Let's start with the recipe. First of all, we have to divide the butter in 4 pieces, like that. After, we have to take the chocolate and put it here, and in this way it will be melting, and in this way the chocolate will melt with the butter. So we'll put here the chocolate and also the 4 pieces of butter. Okay, so now we have to break 4 eggs and in this bowl, okay? And after, take the sugar and pour it in the eggs. And with a whisk, we mix this very quickly, so like that, until it will be uniform. So mix. After, you have to preheat the oven at 180 degrees, okay? And you have also to take a baking tray. Perfect. So now you have to take the flour and the cocoa powder and put here 2 tablespoons of flour and of cocoa powder, 2 of each. So 1 and 2. Okay, and mix it. And so after, we have to put the chocolate that melted with the butter inside this dough, and after, take it and put it in the baking tray and bake it for 30 minutes.